Have you ever felt like investing is only for the rich or the financially in the know? Like you need thousands of dollars, a degree in finance, or a crystal ball to start? Well, let me hit you with a truth bomb. You don't need a lot of money to start investing, and you definitely don't need to be an expert. In fact, the earlier you start, even with just a few bucks, the more powerful your money becomes. Because guess what? Time and consistency beat timing and perfection every single time. Today, we're going to break down exactly how you, yes, you with your student loans, part-time job, or fresh first paycheck, can start investing right now. No fluff, no jargon, just real, practical steps that'll get your money working for you. So if you've ever asked, how do I start investing with barely anything? This episode was made for you. Let's begin with the why. Why does starting early matter more than starting big? It's simple. Compound interest. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world for a reason. Imagine you invest $50 a month starting at age 22. That's the cost of one Uber Eats splurge, right? If you invest that consistently with an average 8% annual return, you'll have over $150,000 by the time you're 60. But if you wait until you're 30 to start, you'll have less than half that, even if you invest more later. Your time is your superpower. Even tiny investments today can become something massive tomorrow. And listen, investing is not just about getting rich. It's about freedom. It's about being able to choose the life you want to live without money being the main obstacle. Let's bust a myth real quick. You don't need to be rich to invest. You invest to become rich, or at least financially free. But mindset is everything. Most people think, I'll start investing when I make more money. But the truth is, if you're not saving or investing now, chances are you won't do it later either. Habits. Income.
I know someone who started with just $5 a week, and he made it fun, called it his wealth builder budget. Eventually it became $10, then $25. Today he has a 5-figure portfolio and he's not even 30.
So ask yourself, what can I cut out this week to free up $5, $10, or $20 to invest? One coffee? One night out? It's not about the amount, it's about consistency. All right, time to get practical. Let's break down where to invest if you're starting with little money. Option 1, robo-advisors. Platforms like Betterment or Wealthfront do all the work for you. You just set your goals and they invest your money in diversified portfolios. Great for beginners. Option 2, investing apps. Apps like Robinhood, Public, and SoFi let you start investing with as little as $1. Seriously, you can buy fractional shares, which means even if a stock costs $500, you can still invest $5 in it. Option 3, index funds and ETFs. This is gold. Index funds are like a basket of stocks. You're not betting on one company and you're betting on the market. ETFs like VTI or VOO are great for beginners. Low risk, low cost, long-term wins. Option 4, employer 401k or TFSA RRSP for Canadians. If your job offers a retirement account, especially if they match your contributions, take it. That's free money on the table. Don't try to pick the next apple. Just be consistent. Set it. Forget it. Let your money grow. Now you know where to invest, but how do you make it a habit? Here's how. 1. Automate it. Set up auto deposits from your checking to your investing account, even if it's just $10 a week. Automating removes emotion and excuses. 2. Treat it like a bill. Would you skip your rent or phone bill? Nope. Treat investing the same way, non-negotiable. 3. Track progress, but not too often. Check once a month, not every day. The stock market goes up and down, but the trend over time, up. 4. Celebrate milestones. Your first $100 invested, Celebrate it. First $1,000? Throw yourself a pizza party. Momentum matters. And remember, investing is not about getting rich overnight. It's about getting rich eventually. Before we wrap, let's run through the rookie mistakes I see all the time. 1. Waiting for the perfect time. There's never a perfect time, just start. 2. Putting all your money in one place. Diversify. Always. 3. Investing money you can't afford to lose. Don't invest your rent money, start with what's extra, even if it's small. 4. Panic selling during a dip. The market dips. That's normal, don't freak out. Hold on, think long term. 5. Trying to beat the market. You're not Warren Buffett. Stick with index funds and proven strategies. Let's bring it home. You now know that you don't need a lot of money or any experience to start investing. You just need to start. With consistency, patience, and the right tools, you'll be surprised how far your money can go. So start with $5, start with $10, but start today, because every dollar you invest is a seed, and your future self will thank you for every single one. If this episode helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join the Money Mindset Hub community. Let's grow together, one smart decision at a time.